This is a 2014 Jeep Patriot, and yes, the bumper is off. And the reason it's off is because we're replacing the radiator, which is leaking, and to do that you do have to replace the bumper. What happened in removing this bumper is that the lens for this turn signal light just kind of snapped off, and it's something that can happen sometimes. So we are replacing this entire turn signal housing, and I'm going to show you how that's done, and I'm going to show you a very affordable alternative turn signal housing that is a perfect fit and works perfectly. The housing is held in from the back with 3 little screws. They are Torx head. This is a T20. And maybe you could get into these by removing the wheel well liner on your car. Where the turn signal housing sits is right here. And with the bumper on, you would have to remove this wheel well liner or unfasten it at the very least, so you can reach in and unfasten these 3 screws. And otherwise there is no access to these screws. This is the alternative aftermarket brand turn signal housing that I'm going to use. It's a TYC brand. I've used this brand for all kinds of exterior and lighting products on all kinds of cars, and I've always been satisfied with the fit and function of this brand. And as a plus, it is very, very affordable. I would include a link to it in the video description. And here is how it looks installed from the front and from the top, from the back. Compared to the original on the other side, it is just about the same from the back and from the top and from the front. We're going to be putting this bumper back on after the radiator is replaced. And thank you for watching this video, and see you around.